Hi, my name is Ben Kohler. I'm the store manager of Lowe's here in St. George, Utah. And I'd like to start off and say thank you to the Veterans Home for selecting us to allow us to do our Lowe's Heroes project here. We are super humbled and grateful that we had the opportunity to come out here and provide shade and a lot of different things. So I'm going to start off by introducing Anjali from Star Nursery. She's an amazing business partnership, and I couldn't be more proud of what they brought and helped us to create for you vets.
Your sacrifices have not gone unnoticed. My dad is in here currently. He is a Army veteran, and my brother served in the Navy, and I actually wanted to go into the Air Force for most of my life, and I still wish that I had followed that dream. So thank you from all of us for everything that you do, and I would like to introduce Chris, who has been the heart of this entire operation, and he has literally been the glue that has held all of this together.
When Ben told me that we had this opportunity to come out to our veterans home here in southern Utah in Ivins, our hometown, I jumped right on board because I knew it was something that I could get behind and have my whole heart and all of my energy into. When we first started with this project, obviously we had the sidewalks in the middle and on the side and just a run of dirt and a couple trees. That has now turned into these grand garden boxes with beautiful bushes, shrubs, and flowers, as well as some beautiful huge shade trees that will eventually turn into a massive shade tree to give you more shade out here to sit under. As we go around, we poured some more concrete. We want to thank BELTRAN Construction for being part of that project. But the concrete slabs you see here, we poured bigger so we could fit these 12 by 12 gazebos that we anchored down for you guys. Those will also provide shade for you during the summer times or even during the fall and spring times, so you guys can come out here and enjoy the nice weather that we have in St. George year round. Underneath the gazebos, we have the patio furniture. The patios obviously will seat 6 people on each gazebo, but the more the merrier, and the more when we can get together and enjoy each other's company again, we'll be able to come out here and enjoy each other's laughter and share the great moments we've had together. As far as the other side, it's pretty much the same on each side with the great flower beds. Again, Star Nursery was a huge impact on that. We have laid artificial turf down here. We'd like to shout out TURFITSTG for helping us get it all nice and plush for you guys. But it is artificial grass, so if you have friends and family or kids that come out here, they'll be able to enjoy running around on it or playing on it. It is a nice little feature, gives us a nice little bit of color and some pop, and we really hope you guys enjoy that. As far as the back, we did a little bit on the wall here. There used to not be a retaining wall, but all the mud and dirt that used to come down, that was kind of a tripping hazard and kind of got a little dirty on the sidewalk, so we wanted to make sure that you guys were safe. So the grill here is a 5-burner modular grill, so you guys can come out and cook outside. One of the special things that we have inlaid in the concrete for you guys is actually your challenge coin for the Southern Utah Veterans Home. The challenge coin, there's one on each side for the front and the back, so that will always be embedded in the concrete here, so you guys will be able to remember 2020, hopefully not for the bad but for the good. We have 5 benches, one for each sector of the military. These were granite slabs that were etched by our good friend Jay and his CNC etching company here in town. And I wanted to definitely give him a shout out to make sure that he gets the recognition for these beautiful benches.
Hey everyone, we wanted to share some pictures from the Heroes Project at the Southern Utah Veterans Home. Thank you to everyone that volunteered. We've had a lot of fun doing this project and hope you enjoy.